Hello everyone, here's a quick demo of my Pageant Tabulation System. This application is a fully original Java-based system developed using NetBeans. It incorporates fully customized components and FlatLaf support to deliver a modern interface, professional design, and an enhanced user experience. You can fully customize your Pageant's criteria, subcriteria, and percentage distribution to match your event's requirements. This system is designed with flexibility in mind, allowing users to easily modify, add, or remove criteria and subcriteria to suit the needs of any event or evaluation process. This system designed for pageant organizers, this system ensures fast, accurate, and hassle-free tabulation with instant score computation and reduced delays. This is the judges' interface where they follow a streamlined process for submitting scores for each candidate. All data is securely recorded and processed to ensure accuracy and integrity throughout the tabulation. In the tabulation section, you can view and manage all candidate scores and criteria. You can also lock or unlock criteria to keep the tabulation secure before the event begins. To maintain the highest level of fairness and credibility, judges must ensure that all scores are accurate before submitting them. Once a score has been submitted, it is permanently recorded within the system and cannot be edited, modified, or restored to an editable state, even by the administrator. This feature helps protect the integrity of the tabulation process and prevents any unauthorized changes to the results. Selecting top candidates is quick and simple. Just click the tab in the table and the system automatically computes the results. It calculates the total scores per criteria, averages them based on the number of categories, and determines rankings automatically, ensuring accurate and fair results before advancing to the next round. category to ensure that all judges have submitted their ratings, providing complete transparency and accuracy in the tabulation process. One of the key advantages of the system is its flexibility. It is not limited to a single type of pageant, as it can be configured for Mr., Miss, or any title-based competition. The system automatically adapts to the event setup, ensuring a seamless and efficient tabulation process regardless of category. The printed tabulation report includes designated signature sections for both the judges and the tabulator. This serves as an official confirmation that the scores reflected in the report have been reviewed, verified, and approved by the respective judges, signifying that the results are final and authorized. The system also includes customizable color themes, allowing users to personalize the interface according to their preferred style and visual preferences. This feature was added to enhance the overall user experience, making the system more engaging, enjoyable, and adaptable for long-term use. The system provides flexible navigation drawer customization, allowing users to reposition or modify the drawer layout based on their preferences. Available options include default, leading, trailing, collapse, dockable, and overlay modes, all accessible through the settings component. This feature enhances usability by giving users greater control over the application's interface. The system also provides full customization of toast notifications, allowing users to control their screen position according to their preference. It supports advanced styling options such as gradient colors, borders, and animations, enabling a more dynamic and visually appealing user experience. Users are encouraged to explore these features to fully personalize the system's notification behavior. The system also includes a built-in chat interface that enables communication between judges and the admin during event time. This feature is intended for assistance in handling any possible inconveniences throughout the event. Users may also contact the system developer through this chat support for any questions, concerns, or feedback regarding the system. Developer support is available 24/7 via email to ensure continuous assistance and reliable communication. The system also includes a certificate feature for judges, allowing the generation of official certificates as part of the event process. It provides a selection of available templates, enabling users to choose and customize designs according to their preferences. This feature ensures a more professional and convenient way of producing certificates within the system. Certificates generated within the system can be exported in multiple formats, including PNG and PDF. This allows users to conveniently save, print, and share certificates while maintaining high-quality output and professional presentation. The system also allows the administrator to manage user accounts, including the ability to edit or delete accounts as needed. This ensures proper user management, security, and control over system access. This system offers a wide range of features designed to ensure security, flexibility, and reliability. It provides guidance for database setup and troubleshooting, including MySQL configuration and connectivity for judges via WLAN or local host. Users can access these resources through the Settings menu, Quick Search, or by pressing Ctrl+S, then selecting Help and Support, where all necessary instructions and solutions are available. The Pageant Tabulation System is designed to minimize operational hassle during events and ensure stable and accurate result processing. It prioritizes convenience, efficiency, and reliability, making it suitable for future use in real event implementations. For users who wish to experience the system, feel free to contact the developer for inquiries and further assistance.